Good morning. Here's all the sheepies. Loads have got brambles on them today. Look at him now. Let's get some hay out for them. There's Nosy. So we've still got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bales left. That should keep us going for a while. These lot are all going to run over now and get the hard feed. A couple will stay, but majority run off. Debbie's said to Debbie to walk along and climb over the fence at the end. That way she hasn't got to walk through the field with the sheep trying to trip her up. So they're all over there now getting fed. One little one still here. Not two. We'll get a couple staying here with the hay.
Oh, having something to eat. Blondie. Cloud. Nosy and gang.
There's Murphy having some of his hay. Not hay, hard feed, should I say. He's trying to scoff it down so he can get to his hay, aren't you, boy? Hey? He does love his food, this boy. There you go. Little blondies. Another one having fresh hay. Me and Debbie have also agreed that this weekend we're going to finish this section off. At least get the walls up, the panels, and then we can start getting it enclosed, then start getting it ready for lambing, which won't be long. Look at him. He's shaking like hell where he's trying to lick everything out the bucket. Ain't you, boy? Hey, look at his whiskers. We try and keep him as natural as we can, because he is a native and he's an old boy and he likes his beard. The feathers look okay. His tail's looking good. So today we're being a little bit early down here today. Need to get these, give them an early feed, as we're heading down to Sedgemoor, where it's where they've got a cattle show. So we'll head down there, get some videos of the cattle, see what brands they got down there, what breeds, see how that goes. But yeah, we're heading off shortly. Take a drive down to Bridgewater, and then we'll be back to upload. Oh boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. So whatever you're doing, be good, be safe, and we shall see you in a bit. Thanks for watching.